For the last 6 months, I've been posting weekly IoT tutorials covering a range of topics, but particularly on the ESP32, Wi-Fi, device provisioning, and MQTT. Those topics give you a foundation on top of which you can start to develop your own IoT projects. I do not feel like I'm done at all. There's so many other things to cover. We haven't really got to the fun stuff yet, but I do need to take a pause because the broader plan is to create an IoT platform for small-scale developers. This would be ranging from hobbyists to small businesses who have an idea worth pursuing, but not necessarily with the budget that it takes usually for industrial grade or enterprise grade types of solutions. I mean, put simply, the stuff out there I think is a little too complicated or expensive for most of the projects that people need. I'm trying to answer that. And so if you're interested in something like that for yourself, please check the links in the description. Some of you have been to the website and left your email. I've been in contact. So that will be coming out in the next few months. When it is complete, I will return here. And when I do, that will be agenda-free tutorials as it always has been. You may have noticed I'm not leading you in any particular direction with these tutorials. I'm just teaching what I can about how you can set up your IoT devices for success. I guess maybe if that eventually leads you to this platform I'm building, that's great, but that's not the purpose. Separately, to explain the platform, I probably will have a separate channel where I am specifically teaching how to use that platform, but that will be clearly distinguished in the branding, so you'll never be confused. As long as you're here, you're getting agenda-free tutorials. I'm just posting this video now because I've been talking about weekly coverage of different topics, and if you're wondering why I'm not posting, I think it's worth leaving a little explanation. I'll be back when it's time to start working on the fun stuff, Raspberry Pis talking to ESP32s, web pages talking to Raspberry Pis and ESP32s, all of this done across remote locations so that you can bring IoT data into your home or office. That's all. If you are struggling to find the tools you need to put together your IoT project, drop me a line at the links in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you here again in a few months.